Summer is coming. Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 freaking onion rings, and I had to bring out the big guns for this. So I am looking at a new motor. BangGood reached out and they said, hey, do you want to try a new motor? And I said, I love new motors, so please let me try a new motor. And they sent me this. And I'm showing you this before I show you what type of motor, even though you probably know if you clicked on the title. Look at this winding. I just want to show you the quality on this because it is phenomenal. Just look at the quality on this. And I'm not joking. Like, I'm not doing this to sell something because once again, I've been ripped off before and I hate it. So I refuse to rip people off and tell them not to buy something. That's an EZO bearing on the inside, and it's actually greased, so it has oil in it, and it's an EZO bearing. It's thick windings. They're very, very good. This is a 2688 kV motor, and it looks beautiful. And it comes with these very, very pretty silicone wires, and they're very long, so I had to cut them off. Weight on it is about 35 grams, so it's average for a 2207. It has a huge bearing on the inside, so it's one of the thicker bearings. The windings look to be hand wound, and they look freaking phenomenal. And I was like, somebody has been doing their homework. And it came with, oh yeah, that's the other thing. It actually has screws instead of C-clips, so yay. Titanium, if I can get it to focus there. Come on, focus. Yeah, there we go. Iron screws, they're metal screws. It comes with screws instead of C-clips to hold the bell housing on. And all of them are Loctited, except for, of course, for the one I tried. So the ones that are not, the ones that are still on the quad are not Loctited. I wore it off whenever I pulled it out, so I have to re-Loctite that, but it pulled out really well. And I thought, who in the world would make this? Now, check. It's got a pretty bell housing. It's got a pretty bell. It's an open design. It's pretty. It came with the ultra lightweight aluminum nuts with the nylon in them. It came with this open face looking good, and it has this cool pattern on the side, if I can get it to focus again. I love my macro lenses, but it came with this pattern on the side. You can see the striations. And feels really good. And check out these magnets. These are just phenomenal. And honestly, the magnets are good. The shaft is hollow all the way through, if you can see that. It's a hollow shaft. Why you focus? Don't hunt focus. Let's just turn autofocus off for a minute. I will focus with my fingers. But yeah, it is a hollow shaft. It has very thick magnets. They are balanced very, very, very well. It also has something I've never seen in a motor. I want you to look down here. And if I can tilt this just right. That's actually a washer right there on top of a rubber bushing, anti-vibration bushing, which you should be able to see in there, I hope, on top of where the shaft is pressed in. And that provides a good bit of vibration isolation, which is phenomenal. You can barely see the blue inside there, but that's a rubber bushing. It's an anti-shock bushing and an EZO bearing. Now, when I was told I was going to be reviewing this, they said the name, and I'm just going to break it here for you. It's the Summer is Coming 2207 kV by Racerstar. And I have to say, when they said Racerstar, I was expecting something closer. I was expecting something closer to this, which is the 2306 piece that we've all known and loved. And this is actually a 2306 2700. It's a very good motor. This is one of the cheaper ones. But they're like, yeah, it's Racerstar, so you want to try it out? And I'm like, why would I try out a Racerstar? They're okay motors, but nobody reviews them anymore. They're not great. They're not, you know, I mean, heck, they're Racerstars. They're what you put on your quad when you want to go beat it up and you just want to fly, and it's really good. But then they sent me this thing, and I gotta tell you, I am seriously, seriously, seriously impressed. Like, it's gorgeous. I'll get a shot on it here for you. The air gap in this is why I put on the macro lens for this. Okay, had to take it off. All right, so I had to take it off. Now check this freaking gap out. Like, check that. I can't see daylight in there at all. Like, none. I see no daylight. And I'm amazed by the quality here. They're N52 magnets. That is just tight. They're a little bit notchy, about what you would expect from a 2307 or 2207, a good quality one. And I heard these were made with T-motor. And I'm after experiencing some good motors recently, this is pure quality. I mean, look at that. They're balanced. They're amazing, and they fly just like here's the problem I have with a lot of demonstrations. I could show you the flights, but you wouldn't really know if they're good or not. I can just say they're really good flying. They're silent. The bearings are amazing. I haven't heard them. It's a quiet quad. Now that part I could show you. I'm not a great line of sight flyer, so I can't really show you that, but I can show you all the details in this and tell you with utmost assuredness that this is a quality motor. And I was blown away because I don't think many people put Racerstar with quality, and especially not quality like this. This is way better. I mean, it's a wrapped. It comes with these. Each of them come with a set of screws that are Loctited. So they all come pre-Loctited. They're all just phenomenal. Blown away. And it's, like I say, it's N52 magnets. They're in there. Looking at it, I mean, this is a 1-to-1 magnification. Or actually, I'm at 1-to-2. All right, I'll tell you what. I'm going to go in farther to see if I can get to a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 mag. There we go. I can. So now you can see that air gap I'm talking about, or the lack thereof. Check that. Actually, let me get a light. Hold up. So I did all of this just so you can see that tiny air gap. There's the air gap at 1-to-1. This is a full macro lens, full magnification, 1-to-1, staring into the sun, and you can see the air gap. See if I can spin it here without... Like, this just blows my mind. It has way more power than it has a right to. And for a limited time, on today only, this video will drop on August 30th, there's a coupon down below to get it half off, along with BangGood's 13th annual summer sale, which you'll see a promo for in just a minute. But check that. I mean, this is pure quality. So yeah, there are 12 units, I believe. So it's a limited use coupon. First come, first serve. And August 30th, they're half off, which puts them down in the $11 range. And at $22, these are great. And they're ones I will be putting on my 5 inches from now on, probably for a long time, whenever I build again. And yeah, I'm just simply blown away. They have little ridges so they will hold on to the prop. They come with the motors, the mounting screws, and they're just gorgeous. Even Kebab said it was, and I never thought he would ever praise Racerstar. But they teamed up and they learned a bunch of lessons, and I gotta say, it paid off for them. It truly paid off for them. So I'm going to cut it here. Like I said, look down below. There's a coupon code. And I believe there are 12 sets or 12 uses for the coupon, I believe. Just try it. It's first come, first serve. On August 30th, they will be half off. And like I say, at $22 each, they're very good. And at $11 each, holy cow. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and a subscription. Add any comments down below. Look below for coupon codes. And yeah, like I say, thank you so much for watching.